Hi, this is Eric with Cat Avenue. Hey, today I'm going to take you through a new tool you'll find inside Mech-Q. It's called Pipe Edit, and it allows you to take like a custom block and then wire it into Mech-Q so that it shows up in the bill of materials. It's pretty straightforward. Let's get started. I'm going to do this in two videos. The first video is going to show you how to add this block into the bill of materials, and then the second video to follow in a day or so will show you how to paste this block into a new drawing and then carry with it all those bill of material settings so you can cut and paste this block without having to redo the fitting over again when you need it again. So here we have a 1-inch ball valve, and this is something that I found on the web, and I just imported it into AbiCAD as it was in a DWG format. So I brought that in, opened it up. We're going to go ahead and load up the piping utility, and we're going to choose the object button, and for the first point we'll give it the point here at the end, and then our second point we'll choose a center down at the opposite end. Those points are not really super critical. They're just basically locating the fitting. Okay, so here we have descriptive name. Well, previously I used ball valve, which is what I want to call it. So we'll just accept that, but you could type in any name you want for the fitting. So that's the name that's going to appear in your bill of materials. Now it's asking to select the object, so we'll just select it by crossing and then press enter. So now the object's been added into Mech-Q. We'll just need to assign a couple of attributes to it. But before we do that, let's pull out a standard Mech-Q valve here. We'll put it right over here. So let's go ahead and load up that pipe edit utility. And we're going to select the new Mech-Q object here. And we're going to give it a nominal pipe size of 1 inch. And the end type, we can copy it from the Mech-Q fitting that I just put in. So we'll just copy it from this. And that gives it a threaded end type. We're not concerned about the length. For the fitting rating, we can copy this. And it gives it a 125. And the material is carbon steel. So we're pretty much all set to go. So now all we've got to do is save and exit. And now we can get rid of this fitting here. And now we have this fitting that we can essentially copy around in our drawing. So we'll make another copy here just for the purpose of this video. If we wanted to, we could rotate this around in another direction, but I'll show you how to do that in another video. Then we can come back and add our piping in. And come out a foot. And run our bill of materials. and insert our bill of materials. And as you can see here, we got the two 1-inch ball valves and our piping. Now, to get this schedule into paper, cutting this and then pasting it into paper space. If you'd like, if you want to hang in there, I'll kind of show you how to do that right now. So we can just cut it. Go back in and make sure paper space is activated, and then just paste it in here. And then we can just scale it down by running the scale command. And we'll scale it down. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to eyeball it. And then put it in. And then if we need to adjust the drawing itself, we can go into model space and then go back in. Monochrome is selected, and then preview. You can see the table here with the rating of 125, 2 ball valves, and then our piping. Now if we wanted this to also be black and white, we would have to just change the color of these layers so that they're in gray tone. I have a video about that I'm going to leave at the bottom of this video as well, so if you wanted to refer to it, you could do so. But I just wanted to show you basically how to add your own custom fittings into Mech-Q and then tie it into this bill of materials at the same time. Anyways, hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.